The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. And this video, it's out on social media. And according to some of the things that has been said about this video on social media, and according to some of the things that has been seen and said in the video, it would seem as if two persons that are said to be Asians are trying to take a bag from a person. Alright, and according to some of the things that has been seen and said in the video as well, it would seem as if that person had been accused of stealing. Now, I don't have any information if there is something in the bag, yes or no. And some of the things that had happened in the video, some persons on social media call it a fight, some persons call it wrestling, and other things have been said as well. Alright, now according to what has been said on social media about this video is that this had happened in the country of Jamaica. Alright, and this said to have happened at a Chinese supermarket or food store, or however you would call it. You see what I'm saying to you? Yes, some persons call it food store, some persons call it supermarket. Now, this video is out on social media where some persons are saying that the person that the Asians were trying to take the bag from is a thief, and some persons are saying that the person is not a thief, and other things have been said as well. Alright, and I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. Is it that the person was trying to steal something, or is it that the person was not trying to steal something? Alright, let me know what you think. Now, I'm going to show you the video, but before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Yo, let go man, brother. Let go man, make him man beef with this. Oh, let go man.
Yo,
Video man is here.
see them.
Yeah.
Yo, where you are?
Eh?
You a world star? You a world star?
Hey, Batman.
Blood clot.
World star.
You want a show? You want a show?
Yo.
Lopez, come out of video, man. Come out of blood.
So make you the Lego bag on.
Lego back, Jeddah. Go on now, go on, go on.